Good morning, friends. I hope you are doing fine, at least as good as the crypto market looks right now. Let's have a look. On crypto bubbles right here, we can see there are quite some coins pumping. That's very good, and that decreases the chance that this weekend will go even more downhill. So we can see here Render, which is plus 35% right now, which is very, very nice. And if we look at this coin has a market cap of $886 million, and there is a lot of volume in the last 24 hours. Now let's have a look at the chart and see what it's happening. Please bear in mind that I don't know anything about this coin. Look at the chart and I'm telling you what I think, and nothing what I say here is not to be considered financial advice. It's just my honest, humble opinion. That being said, let's dive in. What is happening here? We can see like today started to pump. So after we can see that we had a pretty significant pump in previously, and after that we are correcting, right? And we went down 61% almost. After a pump of close to 8x, it's nothing unseen here, and especially now because Bitcoin dumped, right? If Bitcoin would have not dumped, I would assume this coin would have gone even higher. But now we can see that it's doing a strong push. We can see that it came and went through actually this line right here, which is the 55 EMA, and this area right here should play very important role in the future as well. It almost went down to touch this 89 EMA. Now let's have a very brief look at the weekly chart. We are still very far away from the weekly 21, and we check the 9 EMA on the weekly chart. Now this is very good. It can go easy upwards, and it's possible that it will close this week actually above this price right here, and maybe it will turn out to be green candle. It's happening as we speak. So yeah, it's a lot of pumping here. I think there might be some event or something. I do not see anything bad at this chart. It's bullish, but of course after this previous pump right here, I am not expecting to just go like crazy, right? I would still expect for a lot of people to take again profits in this area right here, when they will definitely get some more profits, and after that we can see if we can aim for higher targets. Now for people who are doing these ranges, they might have bought in this area close to the green line and the red line, and now they plan to take some profits here. And of course, like I said, I would assume this area right here would also be taking profits area. Now the next targets to have in mind looks like right here at this line. It's going to be interesting if it will manage to break it and go above, and after that then we have this box like I said, and after that the next targets, or when it will break it and use it as support and go further, then we have this target right here, which if I put the price here should be that one, easier to see, right? So this would be the next targets, the next leg up. But this of course I assume it will happen with the entire market and when Bitcoin is coming. So looking at and see so many coins right here, this is a positive sign for the market, and sometimes there are some coins that are going ahead Bitcoin, and I assume this is a gaming crypto. Render sounds something like that. So gaming cryptos were pretty hot before the dump, so I would expect for them to charge really hard upwards after Bitcoin starts to do the same. So if I were to get in this coin, this price around the 55 EMA, I would consider it a good price. Now we can see that maybe the 21 EMA, we will get a golden cross on the daily chart. Looks like high chance for that if it will keep pumping, and of course if it get rejected at these levels, I would expect to check this area right here, and maybe when it comes back down and maybe lay on the 21 EMA or something like that, that could be a good entry point. But I would wait a little bit longer and see what the entire market will do. And like I said, this is no financial advice. I'm not really crazy to buy into coins that had huge pump previously, not right away at least, because they could get a very hard rejection right here, or they could go sideways for a longer period of time. Like look here, right? For how long it went sideways? It went from here, yeah, it's 72 days, right? It's more than 2 months and 2 weeks or something like that, which is quite long, right? And here, how long have we been in this area? Not even 1 month, right? So I would guess it will still range in this area before it will break and go the next target, the 1.6 line on the Fibonacci retracement. That would be a guess. Now let's have a look at the indicators. This looks very nice actually. It looks like on the RSI EMA is curving back up, and I would expect for this to go above it and come and retest it and climb above it, like here, like in this case, right? That's a possibility, but that does not necessarily mean that we can break this, and that could happen in this range as well. But I'm not saying that is not impossible. It's just a smaller chance. But at the same time, if this pump have brought in a lot of people new into the market, maybe they can do the same. They can push with the marketing, or they can get another big amount of people into the market, then it could go up. It's definitely possible, right? But usually it takes some time to settle before it does that. We can see the stochastic looks very good. We were low right here and we got a lot of hidden bullish divergences in this area right here. So this is positive. Okay, this was right before. Yeah. Anyway, even if it won't go 10x from here right away, there is still a lot of upside for this coin as well, right? Now it depends what your targets are and so on. Now we can see the curl up on the MACD as well, and the histograms are getting shorter and lighter, and possibly they will turn green soon enough, if not just a temporary bump. Thank you for watching, and I wish you an awesome Sunday. See you next time.